Max Restoration is locally owned and operated, offering both residential and commercial services to the Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania area. We have on-call crews 24/7, 365 days a year to handle any emergency. We are certified experts in water damage cleanup, fire and smoke damage restoration, and mold remediation. Sometimes water damage comes from broken pipes with a sudden freeze, a swollen stream or river, and it may be a severe storm or hurricane. Our prompt response time will have you back to normal quickly. Water damage services include fast same-day emergency response service to ensure removal of excess water before it is too late, quick turnaround for commercial businesses to get you back in the game as soon as possible, top-of-the-line in-place drying utilizing high-tech thermal imaging to identify hidden damage. With fire and smoke damage, the three main culprits are water, soot damage, and fire damage. We offer board-up services in emergency situations, water extraction, structural drying, pack-out services, and demolition. We're insured and have certified technicians on staff, so emergency services can begin as soon as the paperwork is signed. Dealing with mold remediation. We are the area's premier mold remediation company, employing highly trained and certified technicians to ensure quality work is done to industry standards. Call Max Restoration today at 866-944-MAX. That's 866-944-6227.